Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about our 13th chapter of math, that is symmetry. So, do you know about symmetry? So, no. So, in this chapter we will learn about symmetry. So, firstly, we will discuss about the concept. The concept of symmetrical is fundamental in the study of geometry, nature, and art. When one half of an object is a mirror image of the other, the object is said to have line symmetry. Look at the picture of Taj Mahal. Its symmetry adds to its beauty. So that means symmetry adds its beauty. So moving to first topic, that is line of symmetry. On looking at the following pictures or figure, we observe that if we fold each other or picture along the respective dotted line shown, the two parts of figure will superimpose on each other. That means, suppose I am giving you an example and showing you an activity. How can we find a line of symmetry? Look at here. I have a page. When I fold it, that means it cover the complete side of second side. Similar, when I fold it again covers the whole part of the same size. That means it is called a line of symmetry. When I open it, it look like this, and when I fold it, it is again look like this. That means cover the whole part of this page. So now we have given the examples of butterfly. When we fold it, it is again paste them, and similar half part of a chair and half these lines show the symmetry. That means divides it into two equal parts. Suppose we have a number alphabetical we have a alphabetical M, letter M. That means when we divide it into half part, so similar parts are there. So similar, we draw alphabetical letter C. We draw a line of symmetry in the middle of it. Why we draw a line of symmetry in the middle of C? Because when we cut into two parts, it divides into two equal parts. That means same shape. So if we draw a line of symmetry vertical order, that means the two shapes are different, it is not a line of symmetry. It is a line of symmetry. Similar in M, it is a line of symmetry. So in a figure is divided into two identical halves by a line drawn through it, or if the figure is folded along a line and the two parts on either side of the line coincide with each other, then the figure is said to have line symmetry, and the line is called the axis of symmetry, or simply the line of symmetry. Therefore we conclude that all these figures are symmetrical, and the dotted lines, these dotted lines are the lines of symmetry. So can you identify more lines of symmetry in the figures? So yes, the line of symmetry divides the figure into two halves which are also mirror image. That means we can see the same image in the mirror when we divide it into half parts. Suppose when we walk, we can saw our image reflection of ourselves. That means same reflection of. In this way, when we stand in the front of mirror, what we can see the same image of ourself. That means we have the same part of image in the mirror. So similar, a figure may have no line of symmetry, or it may have one or more lines of symmetry. Moving to first example, list any four symmetrical objects: LCD TV, the front of school bus, blackboard, and window. LCD TV, L1, that means front of school bus, blackboard, and window. So four symmetrical object, that means same side. So next is check whether the given figures are symmetrical or not. In case they are symmetrical, draw the lines of symmetry. So firstly we check. So check it. Firstly, we have given a lock. So figure A, B, C, D and F are symmetrical, while figure C and E are not symmetrical. Why? Firstly, when we draw a symmetrical line in the lock, it is similar as above. So similar, when we draw a line in the middle of this, so it is also look like same. But when we draw a line in the middle of this figure, it look like different to each other. That's why it is not a symmetrical figure. So moving to next, when we draw a line of symmetry in the middle of it, it is also similar as it. So if we draw a line of symmetry in the triangle, middle of triangle, but it is look like different. Why? Because it is a rectangle shape, but it is not a rectangular shape. So next, if we again draw a line of symmetry in the middle of this pot, it look like same, because both the images are same after dividing it into two half parts. Now moving to next example, complete the figure to make it symmetrical about L. So that means look like it. We have to draw it a similar shape. So now complete the following figure such that the dotted line in the line of symmetry. So we have to complete the following dotted lines. That means we have to complete it look like a similar to each other. In this way we can complete the figures similar with the help of So next is in this way we can join the figures like it, complete the symmetry with the dotted lines. Look at here, after the completion of the figures, these are look like that. In this way we can find the completion of line. Moving to next example, find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shape. That means firstly we have to draw the lines of symmetry in each figure. 1, 2. So that means find the number of line of symmetry for each of the following shape. How can firstly draw the lines of symmetry, then tell how many lines we can draw. That means each parts are equal after drawing the same. What will we see? We can see 4 parts. That means 4. Similar, here we have 4 equal parts. Moving to next example, complete the following table. Shape an equilateral triangle, rough sketch. We have to draw the triangle and number of lines of symmetry 1, 2 and 3. Next one is line segment. Here a line segment. So how many lines we can draw? 2. An isosceles trapezium. That means in isosceles trapezium how many sides are equal? 2 sides are equal. That means only 1 line of symmetry here. A sector of circle. This is a sector of circle. Bisect only 1. A rhombus have 2 lines of symmetry. A regular hexagon has 7 lines of heptagon has 7 lines of symmetry. So now moving to next, can you draw an equilateral quadrilateral which has no line of symmetry? No line of symmetry. It is look like this because it has no line of symmetry. When we draw any line, it is not look like same. Similar, exactly 1 line of symmetry. Firstly, we draw the quadrilateral like this and it is a 1 line of symmetry. Next, exactly 2 lines of symmetry. Firstly, draw a quadrilateral shape and draw it into 2 lines of symmetry. Next one is exactly 3 lines of symmetry. It is not possible. Next one exactly 4 lines of symmetry. Look like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next one is more than 4 lines of symmetry. No, it is not possible. Moving to next, that is reflection and symmetry. If we see the image of any object in a mirror, we can discuss already about it. So then the object and its mirror image are symmetrical in reference to the mirror line. If the paper is folded along the mirror line becomes the line of symmetry. The image is a reflection of object in the line of symmetry. When a figure is reflected about a line, the image is congruent to the original figure. That is, the lengths and angles of image are equal to the corresponding lengths and angles of the original figure. However, in one aspect there is a change in the image and the object. The image of the object is laterally inverted. So one can collect objects like leaves, kites, stamps, etc., or geometrical figures like circle, rectangle, example coin or postcard, etc., and check them for reflection symmetry using a mirror. Look, object, mirror and image. When we saw the image look like this in the mirror. So first one is, find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. How will you check your answer? So there is a one line of symmetry. So next one is B, only one line of symmetry. In C, only two lines are symmetry. In D, how many lines we have to draw? We have one line of symmetry. If we draw it because all the sides are different, that means only one line of symmetry. Similar, in a semicircle we have drawn only one line of symmetry, and in this arrow we have to draw two lines of symmetry. So complete each of the figure, that is resulting figure has been given dotted line. So first one, a line of symmetry. Name the complete figure so formed. Firstly, when we draw, it look like a circle. Which shape we form? We form circle figure, and we have dotted line. This look like this. That means firstly we have to draw a line, then join it. Similar here, we have to draw a line and then join it. Again we have to draw a line and again join it. So which shape we form? We form a cross shape.